Most people think YouTube success is about luck. But what if I told you that YouTube is not just a video platform, it is actually one of the most powerful search engines in the world. Every single day, millions of people come to YouTube searching for solutions, answers, and tutorials. And the creators who understand YouTube SEO are the ones getting those views consistently. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete YouTube SEO tutorial that can help your videos rank higher, get recommended more often, and bring you traffic for years. And make sure you stay until the end, because one of the final strategies is something most creators completely ignore, yet it can dramatically change your growth. Let's get started. First, you need to understand how YouTube actually works. The YouTube algorithm has one primary goal: to keep people on the platform for as long as possible. That means YouTube promotes videos that get clicked, watched for longer, and leave the viewer satisfied. It's not about tricking the algorithm. It's about helping YouTube understand that your video is worth recommending. When your video performs well, YouTube automatically pushes it into search results, suggested videos, and even the home page. Now let's talk about the foundation of YouTube SEO, keywords. One of the biggest mistakes new creators make is uploading videos without researching what people are actually searching for. No search demand means no traffic. Instead of guessing topics, go directly to the YouTube search bar and start typing your video idea. Notice the suggestions that appear. Those are real searches happening right now. This is free data from YouTube telling you exactly what viewers want. For example, instead of targeting something broad like YouTube tips, go more specific with a keyword like how to rank videos on YouTube, or YouTube SEO for beginners. Specific keywords usually have less competition and a higher chance of ranking. Remember this: people don't search for videos. They search for solutions to their problems. Your job is to become that solution. Once you have the right keyword, the next step is crafting a powerful title. Your title has two jobs. First, it needs to clearly tell YouTube what your video is about. Second, it must make viewers want to click immediately. The best titles combine searchable keywords with curiosity and a strong benefit. For example, instead of writing YouTube SEO tips, you could say YouTube SEO full tutorial, rank #1 on search step by step. Now the viewer knows exactly what they'll gain. Always place your main keyword near the beginning of the title, because it strengthens your search visibility. But never write robotic titles just for the algorithm. If humans don't click, you don't rank. And that brings us to one of the most important factors on YouTube: your thumbnail. Think of your thumbnail as a movie poster. Before someone watches your video, they see your thumbnail. If it doesn't grab attention within half a second, they will scroll past it. High-performing thumbnails usually have strong contrast, bright colors, simple visuals, and very few words. Avoid clutter. Your message should be instantly clear even on a small phone screen. Emotion also plays a powerful role. Faces that show surprise, excitement, or curiosity naturally attract the human eye. And when more people click your video, your click-through rate increases, which is a major signal YouTube uses to recommend content. But getting the click is only the beginning. Now you need viewers to stay. Audience retention is one of the strongest ranking factors on YouTube. If people click your video but leave quickly, YouTube assumes the content is not satisfying. However, when viewers stay longer than expected, the algorithm pushes your video to more people. So how do you keep attention? Start strong. Avoid long intros. Don't waste the first 30 seconds. Tell viewers exactly what they will gain by watching. Keep your pacing fast and remove unnecessary filler. Another powerful technique is using pattern interrupts. This simply means changing what the viewer sees or hears every few seconds. It could be a zoom, a visual change, a graphic, a question, or a quick shift in tone. These small changes reset the viewer's attention and prevent boredom. Also, respect your viewers' time. The faster you deliver value, the more they trust you. Now let's move to your video description. Many creators ignore this section, but it plays an important role in SEO. The first two lines of your description are especially important because they appear in search results. Make sure your main keyword fits naturally within those lines. Then briefly explain what the viewer will learn in the video. Write clearly and conversationally. Do not stuff keywords everywhere. YouTube is smart enough to understand context, and overly robotic descriptions can actually hurt performance. After your summary, you can include related keywords naturally throughout the text. Next are tags. Tags are not as powerful as they once were, but they still help YouTube understand your content and avoid confusion. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Include your main keyword, variations of that keyword, and closely related topics. Think of tags as support, not the main strategy. Now here is something that can heavily influence your video's future, the first 24 hours after publishing. When your video goes live, YouTube begins testing it with a small audience. If people click, watch, and engage, the platform expands its reach. So don't just upload and disappear. Share your video with friends. Post it on your social platforms. Reply to every comment. Ask viewers a question to encourage interaction. Early momentum sends a strong signal that your video deserves promotion. Another long-term strategy is consistency. Channels that grow quickly usually focus on one clear topic. When you repeatedly create content around the same niche, YouTube starts to see your channel as an authority. And authority leads to higher rankings. Random content confuses both the algorithm and your audience. So pick a direction and stay consistent. Over time, this builds trust, with viewers and with YouTube. Now here is a powerful mindset shift that many creators overlook. Instead of asking, will this video rank? Start asking, would I click this video? Would I watch it until the end? Would I feel satisfied after watching? Because the creators who win on YouTube don't chase the algorithm. They focus on serving the viewer. When viewers are happy, the algorithm follows naturally. Now you have the complete foundation of YouTube SEO, from finding the right keywords, writing stronger titles, designing clickable thumbnails, increasing watch time, optimizing your description, using smart tags, creating early momentum, and building authority through consistency. But remember, knowledge alone does not grow a channel. Execution does. Start applying these strategies today, and you may be surprised at how quickly things begin to change. If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe. On this channel, we focus on real strategies, not guesses, to help you grow faster on YouTube. And if you're serious about mastering YouTube, don't stop here. Watch the next video, keep learning, and keep improving. Your future audience is already searching. Now it's your turn to show up.